Pablo Picasso once famously said, "Computers are useless, they can only give you answers." His point: computers don't think, they process data and spit out answers, but they don't innovate or ask new questions. Half a century later, with the cost of $1 million for training, with the vast amount of hardware used, despite the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, this statement still holds true. AI is a fascinating technology. It feels like something out of a sci-fi movie, like interacting with the mother in the Alien from the 1970s. Except that, at its core, it primarily generates output like text rather than making real decisions, drawing conclusions, or engaging in independent thought. Generative AI can be broken down into two main streams that fuel today's world. Diffusion models, which generate images, and transformers, which generate text. Both operate on a similar principle, predicting the next word or pixel in a sequence. This process isn't about creating new fundamentals or groundbreaking ideas, but rather about pattern recognition and prediction. And what is a large language model? LLMs are massive transformer-based neural networks designed to process information. To create an LLM, you need an enormous model, trained on thousands of GPUs using vast datasets of information. The model learns to predict the next word repeatedly, one after another, until it becomes so proficient that it can retell facts, solve logical problems, and even tackle mathematical challenges. LLMs excel at analyzing large datasets, identifying patterns, and generating solutions to well-defined problems. From diagnosing diseases to optimizing supply chains, AI has revolutionized industries. However, this strength is also its limitation. AI operates within the boundaries of its programming and training data. It cannot ask original questions outside of those boundaries. It cannot challenge assumptions or think creatively in the way humans can, at least not yet anyway. And the main issue with AI isn't the technology itself, but how people choose to understand and apply it. Just because AI generates responses in fluent English doesn't mean those responses are accurate or reliable. AI is limited by the data it is trained on. And should you trust a dataset created by dumping all the text information in the internet, and yet enriched with user conversations to handle context and improve subsequent interactions? The bottom line is that if the input data is flawed, so are its outputs. Remember Microsoft's Tay chatbot in 2016? It started out friendly but quickly became offensive after interacting with unfiltered user input from Twitter users. This is why blindly trusting AI, especially in critical areas like healthcare, law, or hiring, can lead to disastrous consequences if there's no human oversight. On the other hand, from a more philosophical perspective, AI isn't just a tool for providing answers. It's a catalyst for human creativity and innovation. By automating repetitive tasks and offering data-driven insights, AI frees humans to focus on deeper thinking, innovation, and problem-solving. In this sense, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to help us ask better questions, explore new ideas, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Picasso was right. AI, like computers, only gives answers, but the real power of AI lies in how we use those answers. AI is not a replacement for the human creativity, but just like all other tools, starting from the early ages of computers, it is also a tool that enhances our ability to innovate, create, and solve complex problems. It is on us to find the right questions and use AI's insights to shape better answers.
But you're never gonna be